Google has officially unveiled the Pixel 10 series at the Made by Google event in New York. The lineup includes Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL, and 10 Pro Fold. The Google Pixel 10 looks identical to the predecessor in terms of design. The rear fill camera shape now houses three sensors. You get a 48 megapixel main, 13 megapixel ultrawide, and 10.8 megapixel telephoto camera with 5x zoom. On the front, you get a 10.5 megapixel camera with autofocus. The ultrawide is a downgrade from the Pixel 9. It uses the new TSMC-made 3nm Tensor G5 SoC. The processor is better 12 GB of RAM, 128 GB, 256 GB of UFS 4.0 storage on the 256 GB variant. On the front, you get 6.3-inch Full HD Plus screen with LTPS variety. It can go from 60 to 120 Hz. It has 2000 nits of high brightness mode, and it comes with Gorilla Victus 2. It has a improved ultrasonic in display fingerprint scan and IP68 rating. It comes with 7 years OS update. It has 4970 mAh battery, supports 29 watt of wired and 15 watt of Qi2 wireless charging. The phone will work with Qi2 compatible Pixel Snap accessories, and it comes in 4 colors: indigo, froth, lemongrass, obscurity, and the prices start from $799, and the 256 GB variant is $899.